Good morning or hey, I don't know. What do I usually start my videos off with? Today is Valentine's Day. I'm gonna get ready. I got dressed, I washed my face, brushed my teeth, that sort of stuff. But I'm gonna do makeup, like a different, like I'm actually gonna like do it. You know what I mean? I'm very nervous. I might mess up, which is why I woke up at 5 in the morning this morning. And then I didn't. Anyways, I'm gonna start getting ready because I don't want to waste time because I also want to paint my nails. This morning I was gonna paint them last night, then I was busy studying for math, and now here we are, and I'm probably gonna paint my nails this morning which is kind of crazy, but it's okay. I'll just like walk to the bus stop with wet nails or something. We'll figure it out. Let's get started, I guess. This is the best angle I can get, so be thankful or grateful. It's plenty, right? I look like an idiot. Wow, this video might be really boring. I'm actually kind of nervous because I have multiple different things that I could do, and I'm trying to do one that's probably not going to be the easiest. I went on Pinterest last night before the Wi-Fi turned off. It's like that. That's what I'm going for. First, I'm doing the eyeshadow, which is just like pink. I don't use a brush for my eyeshadow because I'm that cool, so you know, get used to it. This isn't like too bright or like vibrant, I guess, so I might have to do like, I don't know, we'll see when we get there. Okay, current progress not noticeable. I'm adding another color to the mix because I'm just like that, so I hope my friends also do a makeup look because I don't want to be alone with it. I think one of my friends will definitely do it, but I don't know. Ew, I feel like I'm so bad at this. It's okay though. Looking like that. If the angle, oh shoot. My eyes are looking kind of orange, to be honest. So I don't know. I like thinking. I need to get my frick. I'm literally so unprepared. I completely forgot about my angled brush. Okay. I don't know if the pink's vibrant enough, so I might have to use like my blush, which I guess would be fine, but yeah, it's not really vibrant enough. It's definitely not vibrant enough. Alright, so if you look very closely, oh shoot. Okay, so if you look very closely, you can see it a little bit. Okay, so I look terrible right now. I'm gonna try it with a blush, and if that fails, I'm just gonna skip into a different look because obviously this one's not good enough for me. Okay. It's not terrible, right? Okay, change of plans. Oh, this angle keeps moving. We changed my plan because it looks terrible. What doesn't look terrible just doesn't look good. So I'm gonna remove it. Like, I don't know, I just it's okay though. I'm touching up my concealer because I kind of rubbed a lot of it off. Okay, so plan 2 or plan B was basically like you put eyeliner on and then you put like pink underneath. So god, it's not even at all. Oh my god. Good enough. Okay, I've done the eyeliner part. I don't know if I can see it. Okay, we have 10 minutes to finish this. I ran out of storage, but here's what my eye's looking like so far. So, love it. Okay, leaving it with that. I have so much to do still, and it's 6:55. Because it's gonna put like sparkle on, but I don't know if I want anymore. Because I have like this thing, but I don't know. I put it on only like a little bit though. I don't think it looks too bad. My bed is a disaster, which is always nice. Okay, I'm done with everything. I just need to do like my eyebrows really quickly. As good as I can get it. The only thing you think of next is like my lips. So yay, finally done. See, I feel like when you wear too much lip gloss, it's kind of like, but whatever. I'm gonna change my earrings to these hearts, and I didn't paint my nails because I'm like, I'd rather have heart earrings than have painted nails, especially because like when you think about it, like the chances of me like wrecking something with my pink nails is pretty high. One done. More to go. All right, I think I'm done getting ready. I'm so sad that my nails aren't painted though. It's okay. I guess that's my fault though. Okay, I'm almost done. I just need to put my sweater on. I don't know if I like it with this shirt, but whatever. Believe it or not, that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!